Hey guys, my name is Riley and I'll be teaching you how to make a menu. So first off, this is what the final product is going to look like. Menu, tutorial, it'll have the text telling you what to do. You can click and it'll actually do what it says. Shift for help, this is the help screen. Backspace to return to the title. Click backspace, brings you to the menu again. And we're going to be doing that with some simple steps. So all you're going to need is two objects, some fonts, and your rooms, and optionally a background. So first of all, the main menu, you're going to create it. Now what this image alpha line does is it makes it invisible starting off. It starts off just completely invisible. So it's gonna come into play when it fades in, alright. So this code, image alpha min image alpha plus 0.021, what this does is it makes the text fade in. So you'll have this nice fade in effect when the game starts up, and you can see it right now. And next we have the drawbin. So this is where everything gets kinda complicated, but it's really simple. So pretty much what all this is doing is just drawing your text. So here, draw set H line, this aligns it with the horizontal part of your screen. So it horizontally aligns your text to the center. So FA center, this will align it horizontally to the center. So instead of being left or right, it'll be center. V align is up or down, vertical alignment. We don't want top or bottom, we want middle. And then set font. So the font is going to change depending on what type of font you make. So if you create a font, you can choose different styles. I went with Arial, and just because it's easy to read. And then set color. Now you can change the color of your font. You can change it from white. You can change it to red, whatever you want. And then draw text. This will determine where the text appears. So room width divided by 2 means it's in the center of the room. Room height divided by 2 means it's also in the center of the room, depending on the vertical alignment. And then in quotations, menu tutorial. Now this is what it's going to type out. And then you just copy the same thing and you do it again for whatever other text you want. And because you don't want the text to overlap, you can add to the height. So if you add 100 to the height, then it'll be below your previous text. So up here it's just divided by 2, height divided by 2. Down here it's height divided by 2 plus 100, so it'll be 100 pixels below this. And I continue to do the same thing here for shift. Next thing is your key press commands. So this is where you'll actually be moving between rooms. So since I put enter to start, I did key press enter under the events, and then simply room go to and then game room. So this will be the room where the game is if I had a game. Now I did key shift enter to go to help room. So this is where we're going to see the instructions for the game. So right here, just a background and then our help object, which will display the help text. So now moving on to the help text, you did the same thing for create and step, just to make it fade in. And then the draw event once again, set H align, V align, font, color you want. You could change this to, why not blue? And then just type instructions, because I'm kind of just teaching you how to do it right now, so you don't need actual instructions. And then we got press backspace to return to the title. So we will just do key press backspace and room go to title room. So this will just bring us back to the title room, and then we could do the whole process over again. So now for fonts, what you're going to want to do is just simply go to create font, and then you have all your choices. You can do Andalus or whatever. You can choose the size, you can choose the style, bold, or whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. And that's pretty much it. So what your game should look like this. I changed it to red earlier, and then change shift, I changed this to blue earlier, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.